Hi guys, I'm doing this video because I've been making annotations to your quizzes or midterms, and one or two things. Either you're not logging into Canvas and manually looking for them, or two, you don't have notifications. So I'm gonna give you a big recommendation. In an effort to get your stuff graded back and help you get all your maximum points, I put comments or annotations to your quiz or midterm. Um, but I just assume that you don't look at them. So what I do is after I write once I finish writing within the quiz, then I email you. But me telling you twice on the quiz and then a direct email is not very efficient for me, especially since right now I have 120 students. So what I need you to do, or what I recommend, is if you can please go to Canvas, log on, and then adjust your notification settings. So right now I'm signed in as a student, so we're gonna go ahead adjust our notification settings by going to account. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead, click on account, and then select the first option, which is notifications. Okay, so we click on notifications, and then I move some of these by mistake. Okay, so you have on the left side, you have the different types of notifications, and then on the right, how do you want to be notified? Okay, you have like four options. Okay, the check mark is notify me right away. So that means like something happens, you'll be known, you will be sent, you will receive a notification instantly. Option two, send daily summary. So I guess at the end of the day. Option three is like, don't bother me, Miss Torres. Just send me a weekly summary. So like on Saturday, you'll get a summary, and then the X is do not send me anything. Okay. So we have some options. So on the left side, we have the email address. Make sure that's your preferred email address, and then push notification. Push notification, what that is, it's like if you downloaded the Canvas student app to your phone or your tablet, like you'll get a notification. That's pretty neat. I adjusted the settings as for the instructor side, and it was pretty nice. I got a notification right away when a student submitted an assignment or a quiz or a test, and then it was pretty neat. Okay, so what I recommend is you put a check mark, notify me right away for like everything that you can. So the due date, I would like to be notified like now versus end of day. Grading policies. To tell the truth, I really don't know what that is. Okay, so I don't play with this as a teacher, so no. Course content, I don't play with that either as an instructor, so I would be okay if you leave them at as weekly summary. Files, by default, it's set to X. You don't have access to files unless I give you the link, so we'll leave that as X. Announcement. If I have an announcement, I would appreciate if you put the check mark to notify me right away. It may be set to that by default on Canvas. Announcement created by you. So announcement created by you, the student. Oh look, I just noticed that if you put your cursor over it, it tells you what it means. So it says announcements created by you replies to announcements you've created. Okay, so announcements created by you. So if you make an announcement and you want to get notification, go for it. Grading. Okay, so this is stuff like if I submitted a grade for you, I wouldn't want to be notified at end of day. It's kind of like you're waiting for test results. You know, you want your quiz results, your exam results. I will be notified right away. Invitation, I have no idea what that means. Oh, it says invitation for whatever. You can read. Submission comment. Okay, this is the reason why I'm doing the primary reason why I'm doing this video. Okay, so on your quizzes or tests, sometimes I make comments, whether a comment on your physical quiz or a side comment. I would appreciate if you change the notification to right away. Sometimes uh, depending on my time, if I have access to grade something right away, and you turn it in early, like as an incentive or a reward, I'll put something like, oh, fix this, and turn it in after. Okay. No idea what this is. Discussions. We're not actively using discussions, online discussions, because we're not formally an online course, but it would be nice if you have the check mark. So if someone creates a discussion topic, that way you can respond to it. Discussion post. I don't know what this is. You can read it. You can read it. Alerts. Whatever this is. Okay. So yeah, for things that so for push notifications, for stuff that you put a check mark, I would probably recommend you would put a check mark for push notifications so you can get it on your device. So sometimes you get like a lot of emails, so it doesn't really stand out like, oh look, I got an email for my quiz score is in. Okay. Oh, I guess I put not never. Okay, whatever. If you have a push notification, you'll see it on your phone a little. It'll be a little bit easier for you to see. Okay, guys. Oh, and before I forget, we're gonna go back to accounts. Okay. Uh, or accounts. Okay, I guess dashboard. My mistake. Let's go back to dashboard. Okay. So you didn't sign up for an online course. Neither did I. Okay. So we are doing the best that we can out of this emergency situation. But at the top of this page, you have a getting to know Canvas. We have a 7-minute video and a 35-minute video and a Canvas student orientation. Some of the questions that I've been getting, like, how do I do this? How do I do that? I think that if you had looked at this, it would make things so much easier for you. But since not everyone is, this is why I'm making these short activity videos. This was probably gonna be the longest one. Okay, so I try to keep them to 2 to 3 minutes, and I'm already at the 7-minute mark. Okay, guys, so again, the purpose of this video is to talk about notifications. Please go ahead, click on account, notifications, and then update your notifications. Okay, so to me, I mean, it's up to you what you wanna click check mark for, but for me, the most important thing is submission comment. Okay, I'm not gonna do double communication. I'll write here and no direct email. Okay. Um, that is it. Thanks.